Hi everyone, I'm Eka, a UQ Future Leader from the graduating class of 2017. If you are graduating this year and have made exceptional contribution within or outside of university studies, then this program is for you. From a graduating class of 10,000 each year, only a select group are recognized, and to date, globally, we have a Future Leaders cohort of 1,400. As a UQ Future Leader, you'll be part of a 5-year program that supports your personal and professional development. Benefits include the mentoring program, access to like-minded alumni, as well as leaders within the industry. What I enjoyed most about the program was networking with industry professionals decades into their career, who shared their learnings, wisdoms, and insights with us. You now have a chance to be part of this young alumni community. Visit our website for more information. Take the lead, leverage your young alumni network, and kickstart your career today.